Hi viewers, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. Today I am going to teach you about series of English grammar which is basic need of English and which can improve your speed in English conversation. First, let's start with parts of speech. Parts of speech is of 8 types. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So let me tell you in brief about it in this series because it is very long in detail. Let us know what is parts of speech. A part of speech is a word, a special job in a sentence. Just as a person with special job like a lawyer, engineer, doctor and teacher. Just as a doctor has a special job in a community, noun also has a special job in a sentence. So let us start with noun. It is a word that names a person, place, animals, or things. For example, person's name Ramsham, places name Delhi, Mumbai, animals name cat, dog, and things bat and ball. Now let me tell you the examples in sentences. A rose is red. Here rose is a noun. It is a doll. Here doll is a noun. It is a black hen. Here hen is a noun. King wears a crown. Here king and crown are nouns. Coming to pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. It is a substitute of noun. That means it is taking place of noun. For example, he, she, it, her, him. I will tell you some other examples in sentences. Jack and Millie came to tea. Here Jack is he and Millie is she. Here Jack and Millie are nouns. He and she are pronouns because he and she are used in place of Jack and Millie noun. And little Susie, well, that is me. Here me is also pronoun because it is used instead of little Susie. Next parts of speech is verb. A verb is a word that expresses or shows action. We can also say it is a being or position. The main word in the predicate of a sentence that shows action. For example, she is dancing, she is singing. Here dancing and singing are actions. Other common examples are talk, look, jump, read and write. Some other examples of verb is am, or, was and wait are being verbs. Having, had and has are position verbs. Coming to adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, hardly, quickly, mostly, carefully. An adverb is of manner, time, place and quantity. It also asks questions like how, when, where and how much. Adverb of manner. How he drives a car. He drives carefully. Here carefully is the manner adverb. Adverb of time. She flew plane yesterday. When did she fly plane? Yesterday. Here yesterday is the time adverb. Adverb of place. I looked everywhere. Where did I look? Looked everywhere. Here everywhere is place adverb. Quantity adverb. The baby drank all the milk. How much the baby drink the milk? The baby drank nearly all the milk. Here all is the quantity adverb. Next parts of speech is adjective. It is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. That means how it looks in color, kind and quality. For example, crispy, crunchy, smooth, rough, green, shiny, fresh, sour. Now I will tell you the same words in sentences. French fries are crispy and crunchy. Here crispy and crunchy are adjectives in text. Leaves are green. How the leaves look like? It is green. So green is adjective. Sun is shiny. Here shiny is adjective. Fruits are fresh and sweet. Fresh and sweet are adjectives. Coming to preposition, a word that shows the relationship between a noun and some other word that joins the sentence. Some common examples: behind, until, till, at, under, in, on, between, and so on. Now I will tell you the same words in sentences. The mouse is under the chair. Here under is preposition because it is showing relationship between mouse and the chair. It is joining the mouse and the chair. The book is on the table. Here on is the preposition because it is joining the book and the table relationship. A cat is behind the box. Here behind is the preposition. Wait until I come. Here until is a preposition. And some other prepositions are between, close to, above, inside, on, in front of, etc. Next parts of speech is conjunction. It is a word that connects a word or group of words or sentences and phrases. Some common examples are for, and, not, but, or, yet, and so. Some examples in sentences, just like two and two make four. Here and is conjunction. As you sow, so you reap. So is the conjunction. He is rich, yet he works hard. Yet is a conjunction. Here and, so, yet are conjunctions because it is joining words, sentences and phrases together. Last but not least parts of speech is interjection. It shows sudden feelings, emotions, excitement and surprise in the words. An interjection is a word that expresses a strong emotion. Many interjections are followed by an exclamation point. Some examples: ha, that feels wonderful. Here ha is the interjection. Alas, I am lost in the wilderness. Alas is the interjection. Bah, that was a total waste of time. Here bah is a word of interjection. Bless you, I couldn't have done it without you. Here, bless you is the interjection. So viewers, with this I conclude my session on parts of speech. Hope you followed me. Please subscribe to my channel and post your queries in the comment section below. We'll meet in the next series.